tinybabytv. Today we will learn about ABC alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for bird. C. C for cat. D. D for dolphin. E. E for earth. F. F for frog. G. G for giraffe. H. H for heart. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for key. L. L for leaf. M. M for mouse. N. N for notebook. O. O for owl. P. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. R. R for ring. S. S for sun. T. T for tree. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.